Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I start today's discussion regarding current affair for OS prelim as well as ASO examination, for all our new YouTube subscribers, we have already started dedicated OS test series. If you are interested, you can send me email at abishoi27@gmail.com. You can also send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. Friends, today we will be discussing few more current affairs which are specially by the central government ministries. There are certain questions which are being directly being asked from the central government schemes as well as policies. You need to know that which particular policy or scheme started by which particular government special ministry specially. So if this kind of a questions are asked, you need to be very much thorough. We will be discussing important ministry scheme. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana related to Ministry of Finance. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. You must be aware that PM Mudra Yojana. There was a question in OS examination, I think last year. It was related specially PM Mudra Yojana. If you will find that this particular scheme is related to Ministry of Finance. Remember PM Mudra Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana again related to Ministry of Finance. Atal Pension Yojana. It is related to Ministry of Finance. Then after PM Janadhan Yojana is related to Ministry of Finance. PM Janadhan Yojana. Specially in this particular scheme, the government decided to means making the financial inclusion of all those people who were not having, which were not included in any of the government schemes specially. Not only that, the PM Janadhan Yojana brought all those people of unbanked people, they were not having accounts. Through this particular PM Janadhan Yojana, their accounts were opened specially. Say why this particular scheme was started. There is a, you can say, there was large scale corruption in various public delivery system, and when there is a account of a particular individual, directly money can be sent. DBT, direct benefit transfer, that can be, you can say, it can move in a positive direction if all those people who are the social sector beneficiaries, they are having account. And this particular scheme, PM Janadhan Yojana, is a wonderful scheme, a landmark scheme. I would say that because of this, so many people who were not included in any of the, you can say, bank account, they were not having any bank account, they were included in bank account. And during, even in the COVID crisis, it was very easy for the government to directly transfer the money directly to the bank account of the individual. So it is a very, very important scheme started by Ministry of Finance. PM Garib Kalyan Yojana is related to again Ministry of Finance. If a particular question is asked that PM Garib Kalyan Yojana related to which ministry, it is related to Ministry of Finance. Then after, nationwide artificial insemination program related to Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Nationwide artificial insemination program. This particular program is related to Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. Very, very important. Then after, PM FME scheme related to Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Food processing industry is a new, you can say, a emerging industry. If especially all those farmers who are having less income, if they divert their attention towards making food processing industry, the government is also taking landmark steps. They are making food parks. Let me know in the comment section where the first food park of India is going to be established. Let me know in the comment box where the first food park of India is going to be established. Then Operation Green is related to Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Operation Green, if it is asked that Operation Green is related to which ministry? It is related to Ministry of Food Processing and Industry. Very, very important. Then Mission Indradhanush is related to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This Mission Indradhanush is very important. They have previously asked a question from this particular scheme. So you need to know that this Mission Indradhanush, there are various vaccination programs which are being conducted, and it is related to this particular thing which is called as Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Very, very important. Then Advanced Chemistry Cell is related to Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Enterprise. Very, very important. Advanced Chemistry Cell. It is related to Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Finance. Ministry of Heavy Industry and Public Finance. Then Witness Protection Scheme is related to Ministry of Home Affairs. Witness Protection Scheme. What is happening that in criminal justice system, if one particular individual, he or she is considered as witness, there is life threats. There are so many of threatened to his or her family. So it is the responsibility of Ministry of Home Affairs. If a particular person needs witness protection, it is Ministry of Home Affairs which will be providing the, you can say, security to that individual. So it is related to Ministry of Home Affairs. Jal Jeevan Mission is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Very, very important. Jal Jeevan Mission is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Important, and it is very, very important. Then PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. PM Swanidhi is this particular scheme is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. PM Swanidhi. What is Swanidhi? That is Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. What is Swanidhi? Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi. And it is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Apart from this, PM Awas Yojana is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. PM Awas Yojana is related to Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Then after, Jal Jeevan Mission is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. If a particular question is being asked, Jal Jeevan Mission is related to which ministry? It has to be the Ministry of Jal Shakti. Then Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. There is a confusion among students. If a particular question is being asked, Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, maximum of the students will definitely write it is Ministry of Rural Affairs. This particular scheme is not related to Ministry of Rural Affairs. It is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. Remember, very, very important. Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. Then Jal Money Program is related to, again, a landmark scheme started by Ministry of Jal Shakti. It is Jal Money Scheme. Then after, you can say that Swajal scheme is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. Again, Swajal scheme is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. Apart from this, Swachh Bharat Sarvatra initiative is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is a combined effort of both these ministries, Ministry of Jal Shakti and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is Swachh Swasthya Sarvatra initiative. Swachh Sarvatra initiative. Then Swachh Iconic Places initiative is related to Ministry of Jal Shakti. Swachh Bharat Iconic, this iconic places, this particular is very, very important scheme started by Ministry of Jal Shakti. Apart from this, Pragati is related to Prime Minister's Office addressing common people's grievances. Pragati is what? Addressing common people's grievances. This particular thing, Pragati, is related to Prime Minister's Office. Remember, Pragati is related to Prime Minister's Office. Apart from this, Tri-Food Scheme is related to Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Ministry of Food Processing Industry. This Tri-Food Scheme, what is Tri-Food Scheme? tribal food scheme. This is a combined effort of what? Two ministries. One is Ministry of Tribal Affairs and second one is Ministry of Food Processing and Industry. These two government bodies, especially the ministry, they combinedly run this particular tri-food scheme. I hope this particular discussion is clear, very important. Many questions can be asked from this particular discussion. So very important discussion. And if you find this particular video informative, then do give a like and do subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. Thank you very much. Happy learning.